ZebPay deposit problem, ZebPay deposit, how to fix. If you're having issues while depositing money on the ZebPay app, you have to make sure to follow the instructions properly. Open the ZebPay app, go to the portfolio tab, then over there you'll find this option called deposit. So you want to simply go to that deposit option and then just select manual deposit. You can see minimum and maximum and the business days as well. Once you've done that, simply enter the amount that you would like to deposit, and once done you can just hit the proceed to deposit option. On the next page it says you are depositing this much account. You can kindly check the following bank account details, so make sure that everything is properly corrected, and depending upon where you live you'll also see you will have to copy the above code over here, which is your reference column of your bank's transfer screen. Then once you've done that, you can upload a bank payment or receipt, and this process must be very careful because you have to make sure that all the bank details are clearly visible. It is, if you don't click a photo properly here, then in that case your transaction could be cancelled. Then after you've done that, the deposit will be in progress. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.